So that's a UFO. Of course, the definition of UFO is unidentified flying object. So technically, it's basically anything that you cannot identify. So, and I do not know what that is. Is it an airplane? Is it a helicopter? Is it a fighter jet? Don't know. I can hear it from here though. Sounds like it's an airplane. But anywho, but I can see how people can get grainy, shaky footage though. Because I'm trying to hold the phone as still as humanly plausible and track it with my phone. Yeah, and it's an aircraft. It's an airplane. Anyway, I'm trying to track the airplane with my phone, and as you can see, it's very blurry. I have it zoomed up to my max, and I'm trying to, hold it still. So, there's that. But I can, but as you can see, it's a very grainy, shaky footage of, an airplane going overhead. And as you can see, even though I can see everything before me, you cannot in regards to this phone. Apparently, the phone camera has a certain light tolerance, I guess. With thus need a flashlight, even though, and even then, flashlight isn't that great. So yes, very fascinating. Now, what does this have to say in regards to aliens, dinosaurs, and all of that being caught on camera? Oh, they're probably hoaxes, but not all of them. Put simply, compare the video footage you can get in regard, like the grainy video footage you can get in regards to an airplane that you could find at night, to the grainy footage of a UFO. And if you can find a bunch of similarities or differences, then it will determine on how authentic it may be. Keyword maybe. So, with that said, take UFO sightings with a nice hunk of chalk. Yes, chalk. Yes, that makes a lot of sense. Salt is chalk, yes. Anywho, take UFO sightings with a hunk of salt because it may just be an airplane. So, yeah.